there are sincere people. Do not think everyone is out to destroy you. No. Don't allow your pain stop you from knowing that there are sincere people. Can I tell you, sincere people have a therapeutic effect. When you find godly and sincere people, you can sleep with your eyes closed. And the thing about life and about God is one sincere person can bring the healing that 100 people may have caused for you. There are sincere people. Burn this at the back of your mind. Probably you are seated next to one. There are sincere people. Don't draw a conclusion from your years of pain and betrayal, from your years of whatever. Oh, they cheated me in business. Oh, church people are terrible. All pastors are demons. They just no, don't conclude like that. There are still sincere people. There are still sincere people. This is a prophetic message for someone. Are there still good men? Yes. Are there still good women? Yes. Are there still good parents? Yes. If you do not have good people in your life, believe me, you are in trouble. Don't just celebrate money in your account. You must pray and say, God, in my lifetime, give me the opportunity of tasting of a godly, the gift of a godly and a faithful friend. Is there someone in your life today who can pay any price to see that you laugh? Is there someone in your life today that if you call the person and say, listen, I'm about to be taken to the police station, the person will say, where are you? I'm coming with you. Can I tell you, you have met people who broke your heart, but don't conclude on that. There are people who will stand with you. There are people who will cry with you. Some of you have already been fortunate to find those people. Can I advise you? Swallow your pride and keep them. Don't ever open your mouth and say, I don't need you. Then you say sorry later on. Swallow your pride and keep them. Because when you find godly and faithful friends, they are like gold. Don't throw it away. You may not find it again in your lifetime. Among the many things that becomes a blessing to you, ladies and gentlemen, is the gift of good people. There are people today who would not have died if they had good people in their life. Someone to pray with you, someone to cry with you. The person can say, I don't have all the money, but this one tuber of yam I have, let's eat it together and give God thanks. I am telling you again, you may not have too many of these people in your life, but if one ever comes around your life, look for a psychological treasure chest and put them inside and protect them. Throw away your pride and protect them. You watch some of these guys in the Middle East. Watch how most of them spend their money. They climb camels and they run around and return back with dust in their body. These are millionaires and billionaires. And you are saying this is all you do with your money, to play around with camels and animals? No. There was something they gave up to be great. And now when they became great, since they could not find solace in men, they resort to animals. Some of you today are giving up quality relationships because you are looking for money. Quality relationships. God brought the gift of faithful people to your life, but you are throwing them away because the only person you are looking for is the person who can solve your problem. You will rise to the top and find out that it's a lonely place full of deceivers. The top is full of interest. Everybody there is looking for something or trying to protect something. There are few people in your life who will love you as you are. They will see your nonsense and still love you the way you are. When you find such people, hear this advice coming from someone who loves you. Protect them. Swallow your pride and protect them at all costs. If you judge people only by their actions, you will drive many good people in your life. Many good people. There are many good people whose actions will hurt you, but they are some of the greatest blessings that will be in your life. You must learn and have the courage and the stamina to look beyond actions and look at a person's heart. Someone can steal from you out of pressure, but that person is not a thief. He stole, but he's not a thief. A thief is not the one who steals. There is a mentality that is called a thief. Are we together now? So you can have a thief around you and he never steals, but he's a thief. Are we together? Yes. A thief is not one who picks something. No, the one who picks something has given evidence to steal it. but you can have a thief around you. Like you can have a wicked person who never has a chance to execute it yet, but is a wicked person. In my opinion, Judas was not a wicked person. He was just somebody who loved Jesus and wanted to make money quickly. There were many of the other disciples. If I'm to arrange the disciples of Jesus according to wickedness, there are others who will be in front. Judas will not be part of them. You believe me on that. Do you know why? Because he felt so much pain that he had betrayed his master. He hung himself. That was what he knew to do. I believe if Judas had gone to Jesus and asked for forgiveness, Jesus would forgive him, because his dying or not dying did not affect salvation. The betrayal was what was needed in prophecy. The killing himself was not part of the script. I've asked you this question many times. Let me ask you one more time. Think, don't talk. Is there someone in your life right now who you can call for help and the person will help you without thinking twice? Just think. Is there someone right now as you are watching me? Let's assume for instance that you needed, let me use a realistic figure, maybe 200,000, 500,000, a million naira. Is there someone in your life that has been helped by God who can say, for your sake, I'm on my way to your house? If there is none, I guarantee you, you are sitting on a time bomb. Because according to the law of time and chance, according to the law of life, sooner or later, even if you are Jesus, you may not be able to carry the cross alone. Powerful Jesus needed men to help him. It is foolishness to believe that for the rest of your life you will not need any man. No. Is there someone in your life today you can call and with one dial, no matter how busy, he can pick? Apostle, people don't like me. No. If the problem is everybody, the problem is you. Nobody will just invest time like that. Relationship is an investment. Don't expect returns if you did not invest. Don't give people 2 minutes of your time with 10 years worth of trouble and expect them to remain with you. No, sir. God carried treasures and gave you, but you threw them away. Good friends, good people. Some of them it was even your parents. Some of them it was even your spouse. And today they are no more, and you are living in regret, saying, if I knew how important this person was. They loved you whether you had money or not. They believed in you whether you were famous or not. These are people who can come and enter the prison and say, go out, I will stay. I am telling you again, if God ever brings such people to your life, please open your eyes, receive them with sincerity, and let them know. I've taught you how to maintain relationships. If you cannot contribute value, contribute gratitude.